Today we're going to take a look at the program mode for the Environics series 4000, 4040, and 4020 software. Program mode allows you to run the three basic modes, which are concentration mode, flow mode, and divider mode, and to group them together into a program, which is a sequence of operations. Each step is then performed in sequence until all the steps are completed. So to begin with, before you can use a program mode, you have to already have the concentration, flow, and divider modes set up. You can see here that for this unit, serial number 7212, I've already done that. I have 2 concentration modes, 3 flow modes, and 1 divider mode set up. To learn how to do those 3 modes, you can check out our other videos. So to begin with the program mode, you simply click on Program and Add. Give your program a name. So I'm going to call this Overnight Run. You can call it whatever you need to help remind yourself what it is. The next step is done through here. So you're going to select which type of mode you want to run first. Is it a concentration mode, a flow mode, or a divider mode? I'm going to start my program with a flow mode. So I click on flow and I hit add. Then in the second column here, the third column here, if you double click, it'll become a drop down and let you select which of your flow modes you want to start with. So I'm going to select the purge. I'm going to run some nitrogen through the system first, and then double click on runtime. Pop-up will appear and you can select how long you want that to go. So I'll make it a 10-minute purge. Okay, and that first step of the program is now complete. So then you just repeat this process for each of the modes. So let's say next I want to do a concentration mode, the concentration, and add. I then double click, pick which program mode. I'm going to start with the 2.5%, and I'll do that also for 10 minutes. I'm then going to add another flow mode. And this time I want to run my 10% SO2 for 5 minutes. When you're done adding all of your steps, whatever sequence of steps you need to add, you're just going to click Save. And the program now will appear on your list. Let's say you've made a mistake and you realize, oh, I put these 2 second and third step in the wrong order. You can click on Edit, select one of the 2, and either move up that step or move down that step to make your order correct here. If you want to remove a step completely, then you would simply select the step you want to remove and click on Clear, and that will remove that step. Another nice feature is the View mode. If you can't recall exactly what this concentration mode is comprised of, you can select it, click View mode, and it will show you the basics of that particular mode. So again, when you're done, you'll click on Save. The other option you have here, just like in our other modes, if you've watched the videos, is the copy feature. You can use a copy of the entire program. So for example, I can hit copy here. Now this one's pretty simple, but let's say instead I want the exact same thing, except I want the times to be longer. I can just go in, hit copy, give it a new name, make whatever changes I need to make, click Save. And now you'll see that there are 2 programs. Here, run 1 and run 2. You can also, though, if you're editing a mode here, there's a copy feature here for the lines. So if I select concentration mode here, which is my step 2, and hit copy, it will just duplicate that step, and you can move that around to be where you want it to be. So it's sometimes that can come in handy as well if you're running a sequence of steps over and over again. When you're done editing, you want to hit Save. Once you have your mode here and it is saved, you can click on Start to start. Here you'll see the program timer. This is just from my last run. It saves that runtime. So here I'm going to click Start. You probably heard the solenoids click Open. You won't see a flow because I don't have gas hooked up, but normally you'd see the flow rate showing up here. And here you'll see the elapsed time for the step. And down here it's the elapsed time for the program. Occasionally, depending on if you stop this early, you might see a second difference between those 2 times just based on the way the program runs. But that's how the step works. If you're running a program when you're there and you said, oh, I've been purging for 10 minutes out of 20 and that's long enough, I want to move on, you can click the Advance button and it will then skip to the next step. If you want to learn how to schedule programs or any of our other modes, subscribe to our YouTube channel or to the blog so you can be notified when the next video about the schedule mode is released. Thank you for watching the video. I hope it was helpful for you. Follow our blog for more information on using our newest software or call us or email us if you have any questions.